Imposter syndrome. Imposter syndrome involves feelings of self-doubt despite your education level, accomplishments, or achievements. Hi, my name is Nick and I'm a psychologist. I'm actually just an influencer. Guess you could call me an imposter, am I right? In all seriousness, this is a very serious thing. People do suffer from this. When someone's going through imposter syndrome, they actually overcompensate by working extra hard. They'll push themselves into the ground essentially and still feel like they're not doing enough. Why do I know about this? Because I'm losing my mind, guys. I'm going through it. So what better way to deal with it than make a video about it? Here are the 7 things you're supposed to do when you're going through imposter syndrome. Step 1, learn the facts. Realize that it is a real thing, which we already just did. Already off to a great start. You just got one step closer to feeling better. And chances are, if you're going through it, that didn't really help. Step 2, share your feelings. You go to someone you love, a friend, family member, even a mental health hotline. To talk about this stuff and actually get some validation that what you're going through is true will help. Step 3, celebrate your success. Chances are whatever you've done has paid off in some aspect or another. Take a minute to actually appreciate that. There are people that haven't even started yet. You did. You would not be feeling this way if you were at step 0. The hardest part is getting into something, and chances are right when you get into it, you're at your least knowledgeable point, and then when you're working super hard, you're working on your goals. That is something to be proud of, and you should appreciate that. Step 4, let go of perfectionism. No one is perfect and nothing is perfect. Chances are if you're striving for perfection, you're gonna be way far behind the people that are not striving for perfection. If you're trying to make a video and it doesn't come out perfect, post it anyways. If you're cooking a recipe and it doesn't come out the way you taste it, eat it and try again. You have your whole life to get this thing down pat, but don't obsess over one situation. You're gonna have unlimited moments for the rest of your life, until you die, of course. Step 5, cultivate self-compassion. You can do this by doing some affirmations. I love myself. That's some sappy shit though, let's get real. Really take a minute and be like, yo, I am working hard. Be proud of yourself. Have a little talk with yourself and say, yo, that's some good shit right there. Step 6, share your failures. I'll go first. I feel like I'm short right now. Let me get on my knees. Yeah, there we go. A lot of the times I get done with a video and I'll feel like I've been working on it for about 7 hours and I'm just not happy with it, man. After 7 hours. Yesterday, I almost died in a video. And then after filming it, I edited it and then I still didn't like how it came out. But fuck it. I posted it anyways. There's no way I'm re-editing all that. Other times I've flown across the country to make videos and then the content winds up being not worth the trip. It's okay though. You just gotta keep going and keep striving. You should do the same and make sure you laugh about it. Step 7, say yes to new opportunities. I'll be real with you guys. All those were on Google. I am not a psychologist. In all seriousness though, you know what's so annoying? All these planes. I just hear planes in the background. And you know what? I know I'm not gonna be able to fix that in the video. Maybe I'll tweak it a little bit. Am I in a fly zone or something? It does get really easy to get down on yourselves. Sometimes you can feel like your work is just not paying off. It's very easy to know the right and wrong things to do. For instance, I know I should eat an apple instead of drink a soda. But do I always eat the apple? Yes, but I'm different. I always eat the apple. The point that I'm getting to is you need to be disciplined enough to pick those healthy choices. If you're just gonna sit there and sulk in your sorrows and choose those unhealthy choices, yeah, you probably won't feel great. But if you have the discipline to actually pursue and chase the things that you want, that's how you're gonna get somewhere in life. So if you're tired, take a fucking nap. If you haven't exercised much and you feel lazy, get the fuck up and go exercise. Be ready to make those changes and be disciplined and be ready to go chase what you want. It's always easy to drink the soda, but the people that eat the apples are the ones that are gonna win.